Aerospace systems endure up to 2.5 G of vibration force during normal flight, putting intense stress on electrical connectors. Vibrations come from engines, turbulence, and high-frequency flutter, causing failures that can happen in less than 1 microsecond. Traditional connectors often fail due to fretting corrosion, increased contact resistance, and material fatigue in these conditions. PEEK connectors provide a solution. Their molecular structure enables mechanical damping, absorbing vibration energy across frequencies. PEEK maintains mechanical strength from -65 to 300 degrees Celsius, with tensile strength up to 115 megapascals and 100 times better fatigue life than aluminum. Geometry matters. Circular designs in PEEK connectors boost mechanical stability and reduce weight by up to 9%. Tested to withstand 200,000 mating cycles and 1,000 plus hours in harsh environments, PEEK connectors redefine aerospace reliability. AIP Precision Machining specializes in high-performance thermoplastic components, including tight-tolerance PEEK connectors designed for demanding aerospace environments.